I'm your Anil Kumar. I'm a teacher, trained public speaker, and also I'm a Dheya career guru. Welcome to my new channel, Ed.omni. Yes, you heard it right. Finally, after the pandemic, after working out for a long period of 8 months, I've decided to make my own YouTube channel, and that is what you're watching now. All through this pandemic, I've tried almost all the nuts that I have come across. I've tried everything. I tried different methods of new teaching techniques. I tried different methods of platforms through which I can reach the students. I tried different public speaking courses, various things I tried, and then I decided that I should be doing something to reach my students to the maximum extent possible. I want to reach more number of students within a short period of time, and finally this is the platform that I choose. Yes, Ed.omni, this is my channel, Ed.omni. And what am I going to do here? What am I going to do here? And what are we going to learn here? We are going to learn a lot of things here, right from English vocabulary to English grammar to spoken English to various other things, various public speaking skills, personality development skills, or technical aspects. Various things we are going to learn under this Ed.omni platform. So I am going to start with my favorite topic, and the topic which is very less used, very less available on the YouTube. But remember, this is going to be a very useful thing. As a student, as a job seeker, as an employee, as a housewife, as an entrepreneur, whatever the position you are in, you need to have a better vocabulary, and I am going to give you that better vocabulary. How am I going to give that? Am I going to make you learn a number of words all on a single day? It's not like that. With simple tips, I'm going to teach you the best in class vocabulary. I'm going to change your mindset. I'm going to change the strategy that you were using till date to learn the vocabulary. Once after you learn this strategy, your complete viewpoint is going to change. That's what I'm going to do today. So if you are ready for that, just subscribe to my channel, click the bell icon to get the regular notifications, and like the video and share it with your friends. So what is that? Means it's called as etymology. 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 What is etymology? So today, whatever the English we are speaking, whatever the English we use all throughout the world, I'm not just talking about India, is not there some long back. It's not English actually. English is all French and Latin, almost all French and Latin. It's a derived language from various other languages. I'm not going to teach you any history of English here, but I just want you people to know. So, I want to give you the roots of these English words, which you can apply as mathematical formulae, and through that method you can derive the meanings of new English words. Yes, that's possible. That is the very easiest thing. Let me give you an example. The best example, the example that I tell to everyone when I am teaching this. Disaster. If this word is given to a student, whatever the class he is studying in, for our understanding, let us take a 6th class student. His teacher asked him to learn the meaning of disaster. What the students would do is that he reaches the home, he opens the book, and he starts learning like this. Disaster, any natural calamity. is written there, any natural calamity. So what does the student do with that? What does the student do with that? He starts mugging it up. Disaster, any natural calamity, disaster, any natural calamity, disaster, any natural calamity. He goes on like that and he tries to paint it. He tries to paint it on his brain that disaster, any natural calamity, disaster, any natural calamity. So that's a rot method and also a wrong method. So what I am going to do is that this is a root, which means against, and after means star. So in the past, our ancestors used to believe that if the stars are against us, something abnormal is going to happen and any natural calamity may take place. So in that way, they coined this word called as disaster, any natural calamity against the stars. They believed. Forget about that, whether it is a myth or a superstitious belief or whatever it is, but this is the way they coined the word. So if you learn this method, this aster, if the stars are against us, this is against and aster is star. This meaning of the word is going to be remembered by the student for a longer time. And not only that, the student can apply this thing in a number of other ways also. For example, next he comes across a word called as disease. If he comes across a word called as disease, what is disease? The same logic will apply. Disease against, and is being normal. Against normal. What is against normal? It is abnormal. Did we learn these things in our school? Did we learn these things in our graduation? No. So through this etymology classes, I am going to change the way we are going to learn the vocabulary. Vocabulary is as important as grammar. If you want to express your views properly, if you want to give your best to your students, this is not just to your students, as I am a teacher, I told you students, but if you are an employee, if you are a job seeker or something else, if you are an entrepreneur or whatever it is, if you want to express your views properly, you should be having a better vocabulary, and the best way to learn that, to get that better vocabulary is this method. Yes, just by this method you can get the best in class vocabulary. I can give you a number of examples. I can pull out a number of words out of this one word. This is against. So wherever you are using this, it is something like against. Something against is happening. Something abnormal is happening. Okay. And astro, astronomy, astrology, astronaut. The name of a flower, aster. If you look at it carefully, it looks like a flower, and that is the reason why it is named as an aster. So in this way, we can learn a number of words within a short period of time. Yeah. So if you are ready to learn those, just subscribe to my channel, click the bell icon, share it with your friends, and be ready for my next class. Thank you. This is Anil Kumar, sign off.